And here we have on the screen the Minor Arcana, the Suit of Wands, the Fire family. This course allows you to learn the symbology of the Rider-Waite base decks and the element of fire, and what it really means in a reading. So there's 10 individual videos here, from Ace of Wands to the 10 of Wands. You can learn all about the Suit of Wands and what each individual card actually means. I did not include the court cards here. I've done them as a separate course for you to learn all of the 16 court cards, which I will show to you. But for now, the Suit of Wands is associated with the element of fire, which is hot, wildly unpredictable and dynamic. Wands are the fiery cards of the spirit and associated with passion and inspiration. Here's a little bit about me as your instructor. Suit of Wands will teach you all about the energy that symbolizes human willpower. This course is designed to teach both spiritual novices and experts alike. Here you will learn the positive and negatives of the Suit of Wands. This course can help you move on to all of the Minor Arcana.